and this is the man right there. He came in because he felt that this space, it has to be here. He must feel this space.
Yes.
Must be. And he's gonna try the best food, and I know he's gonna give you, he's with you also as well. So let's wait. Let's tune up.
All right, guys, and you know he's the owner for Bookan.
That's right.
All right.
That's right. And as a matter of fact, right now he's gonna be part of the owner now because he's the one paying the bills right now.
And this is part 2 of the video. So all right, guys, so right now I'm in the kitchen at Boukan, and I'm here with one of the top chef of Boukan. Her name is Michelin.
Hi everybody.
And Michelin, what are you cooking now?
We're going to do a beef fritai.
Okay.
And we have the beef, we're going to fry it.
Okay.
And that person wants sweet and green.
Okay.
And we're going to make some marinade. And my colleague over here is going to make some a burger.
Okay.
And let's do some marinade. Marinade, I don't know, some people know, is flour, seasoned.
Fried dumpling?
Yes. Be careful. And just, you need to put like 5, that's it.
Yeah. Okay.
And
you have a fried plantain?
yes, fried plantain with that person need green and sweet.
Oh, green and sweet plantain.
Yes. We
Okay.
have the green one, the flat one.
Yes.
Over here, sorry. And the sweet one is over here.
Okay.
Confused. And when we do that, waiting for the fries.
Fries, yeah.
Because we need to do the hamburger before.
Okay.
And when the fries be the cold when we serve it.
Okay. Okay.
And that's it. And now, because we're going to make some akra, the wood towel.
Okay.
Towel wood. We blend it.
Yes.
And I season it. And we make some akra with it.
Okay.
It's a veggie. Okay, we make that.
So show me what it looked like show me what it looked like.
It look like, because we almost finished, sorry.
Okay.
Almost like
It's
that.
almost finished, yes.
Yes, because we have a big day today.
Yeah.
It's street food.
Street food, yes.
At night time, you go in my country like 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, you go outside.
Yes.
You have a lot of people sell
On the street.
in the street.
Yes. Okay.
And me, when I go to my country, first thing, when I get out to the airport,
Yeah.
I don't eat, I say, let's go to buy
By the street
the
food.
marinade.
Yes.
Street food.
Yes.
Because it's a part of the culture.
Yeah, of course.
Everywhere you go in Haiti, you're going to find that.
Yes. It's very popular.
It's a very, very popular food.
Yes.
And we love it. It's simple. It's a jerk chicken.
Okay, so this is jerk chicken.
Yes, yes, a jerk chicken.
Okay. Jerk chicken sandwich?
Sandwich, yes.
Okay.
Yes, chicken with jerk sauce and seasoned.
Yes.
A little bit Asian stuff. And that the color burger. That the pickles, you know the same one over here.
Okay, pickles. Oh, but this is different.
Different. We put mayo like,
Mayonnaise on it, yeah.
Cream pickles.
Okay.
And that the goat cheese.
Okay.
We call that color burger.
Collar burger?
Yes.
Okay. See that, guys? And so, okay, this is how you serve it.
Yes.
So right there you have the, what kind of meat is that?
That beef.
Beef?
We
Okay.
have beef, we have green plantain, sweet plantain.
Yeah.
We have marinade, we have akra.
Okay.
We serve that with pickles and gravy.
Okay, pickles and gravy.
Yes. That's how we serve it. But when we serve it over here, but it's not coming like that. It's a little bit more
Yeah.
cuter.
Oh. So how long you been cooking for?
Long time.
Long time.
Because I grew up in my country, in Haiti.
In Haiti, yes.
And my time when your mom or you're cooking,
Yeah.
you need to be close to the
right next to your mom when she's cooking. Yes.
And everything you have in the kitchen to cook, they buy small for you. It's how they teach kid
Yes.
to cook. We saw a little bit about the fritai, but we do more than that. We have white rice.
White rice, yes.
And we have Jojo rice.
Jojo rice.
Jojo rice.
So what is Jojo rice?
Jojo rice is coming with a black mushroom.
Black mushroom?
Yes.
Okay.
That is, we take the mushroom, we boil it, we take the water, we do the rice.
Okay, I got it.
Yes.
Yes, so you use the Jojo water
Yes,
and
to
boil
make-
the rice.
Yes, because you like you said, you hear all of stuff about the Jojo rice. Because the Jojo rice is something we don't make every day back
Right.
home.
Okay.
It's a special
Mushroom dish.
Yes, we make it for Christmas or for because it's not coming. We have a season for the Jojo. It's not coming every year. We have a season for that.
Yes.
And when we make it, because here we make it simple, like you say, green beans, and it's really good if you want to taste it. It's my friend Bookan. She's the best chef.
I do eat pork.
You eat pork?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to make bakfita coming with 4 kind of meat.
What kind of meat do you have?
We have a goat, beef, chicken, and pork.
Oh, you
No,
don't
we
worry.
put the bakfita, sorry, coming, and this.
Okay. That's what it.
Yes.
Okay. That's a plate.
Yes, that's a plate we make the bakfita.
Okay.
Also, we do a bakfita,
Okay.
sweet plantain,
Okay.
green plantain, marinade, and the fish. That is carrots, sweet pepper, onion, and a little bit of seasonment, and to put in the fish to like a bit decoration. But it's really good. Is vegan.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
And we serve that with that. That my fish. But you need to be careful with that for washing.
Yeah.
Also the rice. That the beignet.
What's this? Is?
The banana beignet.
Okay. This is the banana beignet.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. You see what it look like, guys?
Yeah. And we have.
Nice. Yeah, that's okay. Look at that.
You want to try?
Sure. Sure. Yeah. All right, guys. So right now, I'm gonna try. Okay. Very flavorful. Oh gosh. Tastes so good, guys. Wow. The flavor. Sorry, I never try the goat meat this way, fried, and it's seasoned down and it fried like this. I usually eat the goat meat curry, but this way is the first time. It tastes so good, and the season, oh, well soaked, well nice. Like it.
And we love rice.
Rice.
Rice, we eat that for dinner, for supper. Was like yes.
Okay.
And
Nice.
like I said, is that's your bakfita.
Bak fritai.
Yes.
Wow, guys, look at this, and it called bak fritai.
It's coming everything.
Wow, bak fritai.
Have a bakfita.
Bak fritais.
Here's the goat. We are seasoning the goat, cooking and fried.
Okay.
Pork, the same thing, I season it.
And fried.
And chicken and beef.
Okay.
That we call akra.
Accra.
And that marinade, we call that for people who cannot don't understand what marinade is the fried dumpling.
Fried dumpling.
It's a green plantain, sweet plantain, Jojo rice. Jojo rice or black rice that is a mushroom come from my country. We cannot find it in any market. You can find it in Asian market. And we do that for a special occasion. Is why we have it on the weekend, because people, if we make it over here, we're going to go to Haiti a lot. And that is salad, bean salad, with carrot, beans, I'm sorry, my language, and
That's
potato.
Potato.
I season it a little bit mayonnaise. We have two kinds. Some people don't like love vegan and love regular. That is that regular one. That pickles, coleslaw.
Pickles, yes.
No, you see,
Pickles. See, I'm slowly learning.
Pickles,
Yes.
like people call coleslaw. But we call, my country call that pickles. Is how you know, everybody know what is coleslaw. We put that gravy. I cannot tell you the secret, love.
Yes. No, it's your secret, yes.
That's my friend's secret. That the gravy is the vegan gravy.
Okay.
Because you don't have any meat inside. Because some people don't have meat. They don't like meat. And we do that gravy. But if you don't know, you're not going to. So it's not meat inside.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're gonna go try it and.
question.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your main dish back home, like your
The dish we call that a street dish.
a street dish.
Street dish.
And the street like time like that, we go anywhere in my country. You're going to find it everywhere.
All right, guys. So right now we're gonna try it and we're gonna let you know how it tastes. This is the first time for us. So yeah, man, it's the first time for us, and definitely I gotta tell you how it tastes. Yes. So this is a green plantain right here. Nice. Tastes good. As you guys see early on how they fry the plantain. If you notice, guys, look on our dishes. Wooden dish. You see this is our plate right here.
Yes.
This is what I like. How is that, Charlie? Tastes good?
It's really good. Yeah.
Yeah. How was it, Charlie? Nice?
Really good. Mhm.
Yeah. Alright. So yeah.
Let me check the chicken.
Tastes real good. As what Shadi says, spongy and nice. As we see how she were making it.
Very spongy.
It's real good.
Okay. You see, we have two mushroom over here.
Okay.
See the difference? That the two mushroom. That the mushroom you can find any market over here.
Okay.
And this is the mushroom. We do the.
Okay.
Oh, the rice.
You see?
Oh.
And we boil it.
Right.
And with the water, and we
Boil the rice.
We do the rice with it, and the rest we do a vegan burger.
Oh, vegan.
It's a special vegan burger. We put the because this is like it's really expensive mushroom.
Right.
You're
Because
going to
it can be found in Haiti,
Yes,
right?
and in a market here, when you buy a little bit, it's like $20 for just
Just a little small.
just for two people, and we cannot throw it away. It's really good,
Yeah.
and when you mix it with we do vegan burger with it, and it's that. So I'll just show you the two different.
Okay.
So question. So how
Yes,
do
ma'am.
you get it into the rice?
This we put the mushroom, this one, and the water, and boil it for like 10-15 minutes.
Right.
And when you finish, we take the water. We do the rice with it.
Oh, you do the rice with it.
Like you fry your spicy with your beans.
Right.
You fry it, your spicy assaisonment, and you put the water
Right.
and coconut
Right.
and stuff I cannot tell you, love.
Like season, yeah, like season.
Yes,
yeah.
and that come in black like that.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So right now I'm gonna try the pork. Pork is nice. Real nice. Nice flavor. Well seasoned too, guys. Know that? Tastes real good. Yeah. That's a pork. You can taste the season straight through the pork. I'm gonna try the rice. Tastes good. Wow. Tastes real good, guys. Tastes real good, guys. If you come down here, I recommend you try this. I recommend you try this dish. So, see? This is the beef. So now, try it in the sauce. Look here, guys. Look at this. This is the beef. One thing I must say: the beef, the meat, them so far seasoned, well seasoned. It's real good.
You see how that right? We are here at Boukan. This is the man right there. Follow him everywhere you will go. Kelvin. That's what I'm talking about.
That is it. That is it, guys. So we came here to get the brunch. And you know we have to come back again and get the main appetizer, the main dish. And right now, look at this. See, guys, look at this. Look at the chicken here. Look at that, guys. Gosh, look at that. Well fried. And you know, I'll dip it in the sauce, because you know it got ready, right? Yeah, just like that. Tastes real good. Real nice. Yes, guys, so right now food tastes real good, as you can see. Platter. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Tastes real good, guys. For me, I like the goat, I like the pork, and the chicken. I love the rice. The rice is really nice. But this first time is, I don't know if it's because my first time trying beet like that. Not too much of a big fan of it, but it tastes good. But for me, it was the goat meat and the pork and the rice. And you know what I like too? The sauce here. The sauce is really good. This is the sauce, really nice. And this very spicy. If you don't like spice, I don't recommend to try it, but it tastes good. And the chicken tastes good, but for me is the goat meat and the pork and the rice. Yes, guys, so with all that food, you know you have to have something to top it off. Nice soft drink. Yes, look at it.
Welcome, and I want to welcome Kevin and friends to Cookout to come to Boukan, located at 774 Danforth, and that was amazing. And I can't wait to have you guys to come in and try what we do here. We specialize in Thai Haitian street food. As you can see, my t-shirt is a Haitian fusion. So we fusion of food with every single Caribbean country as you can have. And the best location that you can come, we're located at 774 Danforth. And as a matter of fact, we can't wait to have you guys.
All right, guys, so right now I'm down by Greek town on the Danforth, and my second time here at Bookan to check out their main dish, and this is part 2 of the video. So if you guys watching, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kelvin and Friends Cook Up. Make sure you subscribe and tell a friend to subscribe, because trust me, every week we're giving you some great content. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. One love.